Constituents of Kumawu in the Ashanti region have described a renewed drive to construct roads in the area as a desperate attempt by the NPP to win the upcoming by-elections. The government failed to fulfill a 2019 promise to construct the 5.2-kilometer Kumawu roads after President Akufo-Addo cut short for the project. Though contractors are currently on site, many are skeptical about the government's commitment to complete the project. Nana Ojima visited the constituency and has filed this report.
Roads Minister Kumawu By Election in October 2019 promised the people of Kumawu that funding for roads in the area had been secured. He promised the 5.2-kilometer road project would be completed by June 2020 at a cost of 12 million cedis. President Akufo-Addo subsequently moved to cut short for the project. I was here when the president came to cut short at the roundabout. He promised that the road would be fixed from Raso to Ejoso, but they refused to fix it. NPP came here, but the equipment were later carried from the site without any work done. The contractor have now moved equipment to site. Mr. Amwakwanta, who visited the site last week, gave reasons.
Kumawu roads have had a checkered history. Almost 3, 4, 5 years ago, we have awarded those roads twice, but we were disappointed, by the contractors who were giving those contracts because they couldn't execute them.
The road leading to Kumawu and other town roads are riddled with potholes, and several others are untarred. The death of Member of Parliament Philip Baswa has necessitated a by-election in the constituency. In the previous election, the New Patriotic Party recorded a drop in electoral fortunes in the area. Votes of the NPP in the parliamentary election declined from 21,000 in 2016 to 14,000 in 2020. Many see the party's fear of losing the seat as reason for the move to construct the Kumawu roads. I believe that the by-election is the reason for the urgency attached to the road construction. It is because of the by-election. The president once cut short for the road to be constructed, but they didn't. I think they will not fix the road. The equipment will disappear after the election. Since we will be voting for another MP soon, they have to do something. After the election, they can halt the construction. We have seen this several times. The NPP has, however, maintained the road construction is not linked to the by-election. Mr. Amwakwanta defends.
By-election will not move our government, our party, to go and start development project. Procurement will take not less than 6 to 8 weeks to do. So the fact that you have a contract, there's a contractor, and the contract has been signed and all, within these 2.5 weeks, means that it has been done already.
An independent parliamentary candidate, Kwekudia, came close to snatching the seat in the 2020 election, polling about 3,000 votes less than the winning candidate. Though he has shown interest in contesting the by-election, Mr. Dua has welcomed the road construction.
I don't think people are going to vote because of the road, but people are going to vote on the merits. Who would best represent our interests? Whom can we trust that will not abandon us but will stick with us and bring development to the constituency. Such a person is whom we are going to vote for.
Until the road construction is completed, many remain skeptical about government's commitment to the Kumawu constituency. For Joy News, Nanaya Ojima, Kumasi.